So the Mahagathbandhan seems to lack cohesion. The disagreements came to fore yesterday once again when DMK President M.K. Stalin proposed that opposition must field Rahul Gandhi as the next Prime Minister. Stalin's remark, however, did not find favour with all the opposition leaders. The Trinamool Congress was swift to express its displeasure. TMC said that announcing names is not a welcome sign. The party said that the decision on Prime Minister will be taken only after the 2019 polls. The TMC has said that announcing any leader might affect opposition unity against the BJP. It is also said that even Congress has not mentioned any names yet. Then why are other parties stepping into such actions?
For the first time, a party president, DMK president, has praised Mr. Rahul Gandhi and proposed Rahul Gandhi should become the Prime Minister and head the government in the future. And all other parties, particularly the secular democratic parties, left parties, will have to give the consideration and deliberate on this issue. Let us see how things are going to emerge in the coming days.
தேர்தல் அறிவித்துடன் கூட்டணி அமைக்கின்ற சூழ்நிலை உருவாகும். அப்பொழுது உருவாகின்ற பொழுது பத்திரிகையாளர்கள் ஊடகங்களுக்கு நிச்சயம் தெரிவிக்கும்.
What we have decided is that after the Lok Sabha election, the party which will have the highest numbers of MPs, and those MPs naturally under the parliamentary democratic principle would be choosing the leader of the house, that is the Prime Minister. So there is no question of projection of anybody, nor is there a question of naming somebody right now. Somebody may say something, somebody would try to say that now that, we have also heard in the last 2-3 days that Mamta ji is a bit nervous because she is contender for Prime Ministership and Rahul is emerging as the most popular leader. These are things which are simply creating false rumors.
My colleague Manogya now joins me live from Kolkata. Manogya, very good morning. Now, on the one hand, Congress is trying to put up that, major united opposition front against the centre when it comes to the swearing-in ceremonies in all these 3 states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. And on the other hand, there seems to be this big hiccup just as, the DMK president announced Rahul Gandhi to be the prime ministerial face in 2019. Mamata Banerjee surely is not very happy about that.
Well, Greg, good morning, and it's a rainy morning here in Kolkata. Just the weather is changing, and with that, even the temperature of politics and politicians seems to be changing. Interestingly, what we've seen in past, there has been a unison and a united face of the opposition that they've presented on various platforms. But the minute a prime ministerial candidate is named by one particular party, that's DMK's president, Mr. Stalin, there is, of course, almost a turbulent weather that has taken across the entire opposition. You could call it rough winds, you could call it heavy rains, but there are, of course, a discourse of one after the other, the dissent that is now opening up on the naming of one leader as the Prime Minister. So it's not just about the regional parties, but also the national political parties which have taken offense of it and which are considering that this could also affect the entire unity of the opposition, which is trying to present a united face against the BJP government and fight it out in 2019 elections. The interesting part is that Mamata Banerjee or Trinamool Congress party hasn't spoken on record, but has of course gone ahead and as sources has confirmed that they are watching it very closely, keeping a close eye on it and also trying to understand and what would be the next course of action for Congress too.
Right, Manogya, thank you so much for your inputs on this story. Now, it was a mega show of opposition unity in Chennai on Sunday. UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi unveiled the statue of late DMK patriarch M. Karunanidhi. After dislodging the BJP from power in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and also in Chhattisgarh, an emboldened Congress took on the Modi government.
Political forces that are determined to destroy our constitutional values, our institution, the idea of India as we know it.
Big opposition show of unity in Chennai. Sonia Gandhi unveils Kalaignar statue. Declares war on BJP. Buoyant Congress prepares to take on Modi juggernaut in 2019. The statue of late DMK patriarch M. Karunanidhi at Anna Arivalayam, the DMK headquarters, was unveiled with much fanfare. Leaders of several opposition parties attended the DMK event. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan were present. Even actor-turned-neta Rajinikanth attended the statue event. Soon, the action shifted to the YMCA ground where Congress President Rahul Gandhi launched a blistering attack on the Modi government.
Today we have a government that is attacking the voice of Tamil Nadu, the culture of Tamil Nadu, the institutions of Tamil Nadu and the institutions of our country. A government that believes that only one idea should run India.
DMK President M.K. Stalin proposed the Congress President's name as the next Prime Minister in 2019.
A new India as a son of the Thalaivar Kalaignar. I propose the candidature of Rahul Gandhi from Tamil Nadu.
Stalin's endorsement for Rahul comes days after the Congress dislodged the BJP from power in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The DMK has clearly accepted Rahul as the leader if the anti-Modi bloc manages to pull off a win in 2019. But will other allies agree?
By endorsing Congress President Rahul Gandhi as the prime ministerial candidate of the opposition, DMK President M.K. Stalin has sounded the poll bugle here in Chennai. It was an event not just to honor the late DMK chief Karunanidhi, but also an opportunity of showcasing the opposition strength. This in an attempt to defeat the BJP in 2019. In Chennai, with video journalist Prasad, Lokpriya, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.